Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Will Not Refresh feed in Instagram on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're trying to refresh your Instagram feed, but you're facing the issue that your Instagram feed could not be refreshed, so let's see how can you easily fix that. Now to fix that, you just have to simply go back from here and you have to scroll in Control Center. You have to make sure that you have a stable and a strongest network connection. It might be your Wi-Fi or cellular data, or you can also try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times to make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Then go back from here and open your settings app, go for general, go for VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. If you find any connected VPN here, try to disconnect with that, then go back from here and you have to go for App Store. You have to simply search for Instagram and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending updates for your Instagram app. If you find trying to update your app and after updating you have to go back from here, you have to retry if your issue has been fixed or not, or it might be that issue will be fixed. If it's still not fixed, open settings app, go for general, go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode and then select reset network settings on the confirmation message pop up. It will reset all of your network settings. It will not delete any kind of your data, so you can actually try this. And after that, your issue must have to be fixed. If there will be any network issue, it will be fixed in this app. And after doing that, if you're still facing the same issue, so it might be that there will be any bug or any malware into your Instagram app. Now to fix that, you have a simple way. Open general, go for iPhone storage, and here you have to look for Instagram and try to offload your apps. After offloading, you have to reinstall app, and after reinstallation, your issue must be fixed. If there will be any bug or any malware into your Instagram app, it will be fixed in this step. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.